Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Nuna. In this video I'm going to test out different makeup removers to see which one is most effective at removing most types of makeup, especially waterproof or long-lasting makeup. So let's first take a look at what are the benefits of removing makeup, and then we'll see the different types of makeup removers they are, and then we'll test out these makeup removers to see which one is most effective at removing most makeup. Makeup removal is one of the most important steps in your skincare routine. They are used to wash away your makeup impurities and dirt from the surface of your skin, which could lead to irritation to your skin. It also reduces the risk of developing pimples. It promotes cell renewal by removing dead skin cells, and the manipulation or motion of makeup removal process stimulates the skin's microcirculation. And if you've ever used a makeup remover that is too harsh, you know that it can potentially cause damage to your skin's barrier, which could lead to other problems. So those are some of the main reasons that we use makeup remover. So let's take a look at what we typically look for when choosing a makeup remover. So when we're choosing a makeup remover, first and foremost, you will want to ensure that it can thoroughly remove all traces of makeup, because if makeup is left behind on your skin, it can cause irritation. Then of course you also want a makeup remover that can quickly and easily remove your makeup and is also gentle on the skin, because it will be less likely to cause you skin irritation. And finally, of course, you will want a makeup remover that does not leave the skin feeling dry and tight, but instead feeling supple and nourished. So let's see what types of makeup removers are there. There are generally 3 different types of makeup removers. These are makeup removers that contain no surfactants, such as oil and balm cleansers, and even a makeup remover tool like a microfiber makeup eraser cloth. Then there are makeup removers that contain a low amount of surfactants, such as cleansing milk and micellar water. And finally, there are surfactant based makeup removers, such as lathering cleansers. So let's take a look at cleansing balms. Most of these formulas have a thick, balmy texture that melts into your skin to remove even the toughest waterproof makeup, and then emulsifies when washed away with water. And then we have oil cleansers. Oil-based makeup cleansers work a lot like cleansing balms. Since oil dissolves oil, it's able to break down all oil-based products on your face. They are thick oil blends that, when massaged into the skin, help to thoroughly cleanse all traces of makeup and dirt. It is important to double cleanse whenever you're using an oil-based makeup remover to ensure that there's no oil cleanser left on your skin before you start to apply your skincare product. And then for makeup remover tools such as a microfiber makeup eraser cloth, these makeup erasers normally have multiple threads on a small surface area. This helps to increase the surface area and therefore give the remover tool more grip, and therefore increases the friction of the cloth fibers. And because of this, the fibers are able to grip onto makeup that's on your skin and lift it off from the skin with less force, and therefore it causes less irritation than if you were to use a makeup remover towelette. Makeup remover tools are a great option for anyone with sensitive skin, since it does not contain any chemicals or additives like other makeup removers. And it's best to use a makeup remover cloth for your initial cleanse, since it will help to remove most of the bulk of the makeup. You want to ensure that you keep your makeup eraser cloth clean so you don't end up with a buildup of bacteria. Next are cleansing milks and creams. These are formulated from an emulsion of oils and water. Milk cleansers are not actually made of milk, but they have a milky texture and are especially beneficial for anyone with sensitive skin because it's innately gentle. Milk cleansers remove dirt, grime, and oil without stripping the skin of its crucial oils that provide natural hydration. And then there's micellar water. Micellar water is made of purified water, moisturizers, and mild surfactants. Molecules of these mild surfactants join to form micelles, which helps to pull dirt and oil from the skin. Micellar water is not only gentle but also highly effective at removing dirt, makeup, and oil to help to clear out the pores while toning the skin. I personally prefer to use micellar water as my main makeup remover. Now let's take a look to see what makeup removers are recommended for each of the different skin types. So for oily skin, micellar water and cleansing oil works best. For normal skin, all types of makeup removers are good. It just depends on your personal preference. And for dry skin, cleansing balms and cleansing milks as well as cleansing oils are recommended. And for sensitive skin, cleansing milk and cleansing balms are recommended. So now let's test out these different makeup removers to see which one is most effective at removing makeup. So I'm going to apply mascara, eyeliner, liquid lipstick, and foundation and let it set on my arm in different sections for 30 minutes to test out the different makeup removers. And after trying out each makeup remover, we're going to take a cotton pad with toner to see what traces of makeup is left behind. So the makeup remover tools I'm going to use are a makeup eraser cloth, a Garnier micellar water, Clinique cleansing balm, and then a cleansing oil, and then Neutrogena acne face wash.
Minutes later.
So it's been about 20 minutes since I applied the makeup and let it set on my skin. And now I'm going to apply the cleansing oil, massage it into the skin, add water to emulsify it, and then I'll rinse it off. And you can see that there's some liquid eyeliner left behind after rinsing off the cleansing oil. Moving on to the cleansing balm, I'm doing the same thing. I apply the cleansing balm, massage it in, add water to emulsify, and then I'll rinse it off. And you can see that there's also some makeup left behind. Moving on to micellar water, I'm using a large cotton round. And I'm applying the micellar water to it. Then I'll rub off the makeup. And you can see that this one removed most of the makeup as compared to the cleansing balm and cleansing oil. So this is the comparison between the oil, the balm, and micellar water. I'm now taking toner and a clean cotton round to see what traces of makeup is left behind in each section. So for cleansing oil, this is the amount of makeup that's left behind. And for the cleansing balm, you can see that this is the amount of makeup that's also left behind. It's about the same as the cleansing oil. And then moving on to the micellar water, doing the same thing. And you can see that the micellar water has the least amount of makeup left behind. Keep in mind that the toner has a slight color tint to it when it's applied to the cotton round. But you can see the difference with the makeup. Moving on to the makeup remover cloth and face wash. This is the makeup remover cloth that I'm using. It's from the dollar store. I just soaked it in warm water and then I'm using it to wipe off the makeup. And you can see that it easily and effortlessly removed all of the makeup. It seems like there's no trace of anything left behind, or very little makeup left behind. And this was the easiest of all of the tools that I used, or makeup removers that I used. And now I'm adding the toner to the cotton round to see what traces of makeup was left behind with the cleanse makeup remover cloth. And you can see that there's very little, if any, makeup left behind. And now for the face wash. So I applied 1 pump of the Neutrogena face wash, and then I added some water and massaged it in. And then I rinsed it out, and you can see that there's some liquid lipstick left behind after it's been rinsed off. Again, I'm taking the toner and a cut around to see what traces of makeup is left behind. And you can see that there is some makeup, but not a lot. So overall, these are my ratings for the makeup removers. The cleansing cloth and micellar water are first because they remove most of the makeup with less effort, and then followed by the cleansing balm, face wash, and cleansing oil.
If you like this video, check out my video about cleansers and face washes. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below what you'd like to see next, and please subscribe so you don't miss my next video. Thank you for watching.